I have a very special today. It's an Apple Watch Ultra. It's the first Apple Watch with a different design that actually looks pretty neat. Let's take a look. Okay, that's how it looks like. It's a nice presentation. Wow. With the design and explanation how it works. Very nice. Generally very nice type of box. Choose this band, one of my favorite. It's always out of stock, but it's super comfortable, I heard. And we have to peel this to make it perfect. Okay, let's see. And that's how it looks like. I like this, that's very unique. Let's see how it looks like. Titanium, sapphire, ceramic. I want to tell you, it's heavy. They said it's light, but it's heavy, very heavy. Okay, let's take this film out. Take a look how it looks like. Let's take a look. So this one is ceramic, as you can see, ceramic. I heard this one is sapphire. The case made full of titanium. Very nice. This this corners feels very sharp. All right. It's huge. Let's take a close look. Super cool. Wow, they definitely look so much bigger and better than a regular watch. Hell yes. Perfect. And here you have a charging case. Wow, look at this. It's actually wow, that's something new. Cool. Cool. Yes, I was very excited just because it's a first generation with the different design, and design is everything for me. The previous gen was good, it was polished, it was a unisex, but they was too small. Let's see the band. It should be something special. Nice. Yes, that's what I mean. It looks pretty cool and very soft to touch, very light and very soft. I like this different type of color accent. Amazing. So it's gonna be beautiful, guys. Peace.